Okay, in this example 5, we are supposed to find the area of this shaded region. And this shaded region is inside the square. And the square consists of this shaded region and this part right here. But this part looks like a sector. So really, to find the area of the shaded region, not segment, my bad, shaded, we technically have to find the area of the entire square, and we have to find the area of this sector. Take the area of a square, subtract the area of a sector, we get the area of the leftover, and the leftover is the area of the shaded part. So how do we figure out the area of a sector? Well, we know the area of a square is going to be side times size, so that's going to be 6 square. Minus the area of a sector. Well, for the area of a sector, I'm going to go ahead and again use the version where the central angle theta is given in degree form. So that's going to be the central angle theta divided by 360 multiplied by pi multiplied by the radius of the circle raised to the second power, like that. But how do we figure out the radius of a circle? Well, it is technically right here, because if we were to take this sector and we put it inside a circle, it's going to look something like this. And hopefully you guys can see it, but I'm going to try to draw it as big as I can. So we have a circle, my bad for my bad drawing, and the center is here. And this sector is technically right there. So this sector right there is this one. Well, this size 6 meters, that's technically the radius that I was trying to say. So the radii are both 6 meters. Since this sector is inside a square, and the square has all 4 right angles, we know this angle is 90. So this is a 90-degree angles. So really, that's very easy. We know the radius is 6 meters already. Just plug it in here. So we got 36 minus the central angle, which is 90 degrees, right there. 90 over 360 times pi times the radius squared. The radius is 6. 6 squared is going to be 36. Well, this is going to give us what? Well, if we factor out the 36, we're left with... Actually, no, I'm not going to factor it out. What am I doing? I'm not going to factor it out. Well, let's simplify the second part of this equation a little more. 90 over 360 is going to give us 1 over 4. 1 over 4 times pi times 36. That's going to give us 36 over 4 times pi. But we know 36 over 4 is going to be 9, so we got 36 minus 9 pi meters squared. This is the area of the shaded part. So you see, we find the area of the square, which is the area of the overall shape, and we subtract the one that we know, or the one that we can find, which is the area of the sector, which is the white space right here. Drawing the sector in a separate circle, it makes it a little easier to see. So take the area of the entire shape, subtract the area of the sector in the white right here, and we get the leftover, which is the area of the shaded part.